Okay, back here again, and I found something. I'll show you. So you're looking at the front of the engine. That's the rear of the car. So I was looking at this bush and I was disassembling it, and look what I found. That's your noise. I'm going to tear it apart and see if there's anything I could do, but I'm probably going to take a trip to Repco and get the right one. Ooh, check that out. I shouldn't be fucking around with this stuff. Man, that engine just moves so freely. Time to use my fancy kin chrome caliper supplied by Andrew. How do you use this? There we go. You can focus. There you go, mate. So this bolt is an inch. It's an inch. Okay, I'm back. I have bought 2 new engine mounts. So I've actually replaced the one on the side. Let me get my camera all set up. So that one has been replaced. It looks black and shiny. And right now I'm working on the passenger side. Now I looked at other pitch mount because I thought I bought the wrong one. It was actually the same. So there's also a lot of play on that mount. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep it how it is, and then I'm just going to buy a metal insert just to take up the slack, and hopefully that should fix that problem. But now I'm just putting in the passenger side mount, and then all the engine mounts in this car has been changed. Today's plan: water cooling pipe from a computer, the bolt from the Hyundai Getz. I'm going to cut this tube to go around this. Hopefully that should take some slack up, stop this noise from happening. There we go. Exacto to the rescue. Oh, check that clean cut. Oh, done already. Check that out. Fucking surprised if it did. But cut straight down the middle. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna go cut maybe about this much. Yeah, she can need a lot of that. Trying to figure out what's required and what is the most advantage. What gives the most advantage? Here. If I have it there, like facing that way, the mount facing that way, or the other way around. Yeah, I'll put this facing backwards. So that's how it's going to look. And then I'm going to freaking whack the bolt in and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to attempt a friction fit. friction fit. We are done. Alrighty. Give that a go. See how we go. But I'm hoping that is the end of that.